Welcome to the Mara building, which houses all of our nursing facilities here at Seton Hill. One of our community partners is right down here at the bottom of the hill. This is where students will find all of their nursing skills lab, a dedicated classroom for nursing, and even a study space and conference room space that we have for nursing department and nursing students. In this suite, we have 3 hospital rooms and a control room for the instructors. We can use mannequins in these beds. We can use actors from our theater department. Each room has the ability to have patient monitoring equipment, oxygen suction. There's video cameras if we want to be taping any scenarios. And now I'm going to take us to our second room, where you'll also get to meet some of our newest high-fidelity mannequins. This is our newest mannequin, pediatric Hal. What's nice about him is his eyes move. He can follow the students with his head and his eyes as they're talking to him. All of our mannequins have the ability to reproduce heart sounds and lung sounds, check vital signs. And this is baby Tori. And baby Tori really does mimic a newborn up to 6 months old. We have the ability to do a full newborn assessment, an infant assessment on Tori. In our simulation activities, the instructors could be on the other side of this two-way mirror watching the students, where we can be activating the mannequins. So now we're going to go into the third room in the simulation lab. It's set up just like a hospital room like the other two, but it's a little bit larger. In all of our practice areas, we supply the students with things that they'll see in the hospital, including IV pumps, feeding pumps. These mimic common computerized workstations in the hospital setting. This is what we call our small skills lab. It's just another area that provides ample practice space for students to practice their nursing skills, whether it's with faculty or even independently if they just want some extra time alone in the labs. So the nursing wing is very centrally located at the university. We're in one of the main buildings of the university. A few feet across the street here are all the science classrooms where the nursing students spend a lot of their time also in their first couple of years here at Seton Hill, as well as, again, just down the hallway.